When I talk about women need to join together, when I talk about us having global divine authority over Mother Earth and connecting with the Great Mother, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, we don't have to fight, but we do have to train to defend ourselves. We do need to call on our Great Mother for guidance. This is how we overthrow patriarchy that has suppressed us, oppressed us, and abused us. This is what it's going to take to embody that divine feminine energy on this planet and let that power flow through us freely, beloved. So when I talk about divine authority, when I talk about the Great Mother and our sovereignty and the spirit of planet Earth, this is how we get back to our original state. This is how we get our power, beloved.